From industrial cleaning to running the dishwasher, detergents find their way into many applications. Viking pumps have proven effective in the detergent production process. Detergents are a blend of liquid surfactants with other powdered materials meant to improve cleaning performance. These blends are referred to as detergent slurry. Technical elements aside, detergents can be used for many things like cleaning laundry and dishes, removing carpet stains, stabilizing fuels, and more. Here are a few detergent pumping solutions that Viking Pump has to offer. The 4127A series are 316 stainless steel pumps with cartridge lip seal options. They have capacities up to 320 gallons per minute. The stainless steel 1127A series come with Viking's own OPRO Guard seal to help resist abrasives. They have capacities up to 335 gallons per minute. Finally, the 4724 series. These pumps are also 316 stainless steel with high viscosity and abrasive-resistant seal options. They have capacities up to 110 gallons per minute. Detergents are used in many ways, and Viking Pump is here to support their production. To learn more about Viking Pump and detergent manufacturing, please contact your local Viking Pump distributor.